crazy hot the past few days, so just making sure I'm sun safe. I think the UV's been 8 to 11, which is on the high end, which is absolutely crazy, and being in Australia it's just so easy to get burnt, and also skin cancer is like so prevalent here. I'm all wrapped up, but this top is actually really airy. I wore this to Laneway Festival, which made me realize how airy this top is. It like keeps you cool in the heat, keeps you warm if you get cold. I don't know if I want to keep doing that. Hello, I'm standing on this grassy patch. It feels pretty safe here, but I don't think I'm gonna go any further than this. Hi from the edge of Australia. This is so beautiful. I love this spot so much. I'm around Coffs Harbour for a week and I thought it would be really boring, but it's actually been so beautiful. This area is stunning. I realize I love spending time in nature. So yeah, that's me. So I'm actually here to film a little Q&A, and then I might also film another video while we're out here, but I thought I would just walk up here to see if there's anything further up. It is a bit windy, so I don't know if the audio is going to be bad. I didn't walk this far last night, so I'm just going to see what's over this little edge over here. This is where we're at. Sorry, it's super windy, but I'm going to turn back. I think I'm going to go back to the spot I was just at. There are so many ants on the ground. Yay, I just finished filming. I'm gonna head back now. I wanted to film another video, but I think it's getting a bit late. I'm hoping the audio is okay for my Q&A, so I don't want to film 2 videos here if I'm not sure that the audio is going to be okay. I'm gonna walk back now, but it's like midday now and it's been such a nice start to the day. I just made it back to the accom and basically walked all the way around there and then around the bend and around there.